Hey guys, Mang1997 here, and I installed a new smoke detector at my grandma's house. It is a, hold on, yeah, let me try to mute the TV. Mute. Oh, there it is. Okay, muted. Alright, so this is a first alert smoke detector. It replaced her old one, which is right here. She actually had two of these. They both quit working. I just took this down today because the service light started blinking and it started chirping obnoxiously. So I need to get two more smoke detectors, one in the guest bedroom, one in her other bedroom. So that's the platform of the old one. I haven't taken it down yet. So we're going to do a quick test of this and I'll show you what it does, but we're going to back up from it. So hold down the test button. Testing. Here we go. Okay, so we're going to back up because it's loud. Okay, it's gonna go one more time.
Warning! Evacuate! Carbon monoxide, evacuate! Highest carbon monoxide level was 0 ppm.
So that's what it does. It's a pretty nice smoke detector, so. Alright, that about sums it up. I probably scared her dog. I'm sorry, girl. It's okay. Well, you're not shaking this time. That's good.